In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to accept PayPal payments in WordPress using the WP PayPal plugin. This is a simple and beginner-friendly method that lets you add PayPal Buy Now buttons to any page on your website without writing any code. It's perfect if you're selling a single product, services, tickets, or even taking quick payments. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your site, including plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see Plugins. Click on Plugins and then click on Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin marketplace, where you can search and install new plugins. At the top right, you'll see the search bar. Type in PayPal and press Enter. WordPress will now show you a list of PayPal-related plugins. Look for the plugin called Payment Button for PayPal by Nor Alarm. This is the WP PayPal plugin we're going to use. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin makes it available for use on your site. After activating the plugin, go back to the plugin section to confirm that Payment Button for PayPal is active. This step is important just to make sure everything is working correctly before adding the payment button to your site. Next, go to Pages from the left-hand menu. Here you can choose an existing page or create a new one where you want to accept PayPal payments. For this example, I'll click on Sample Page, but you can use any page you want, such as a checkout page or a services page. Once the page editor opens, click into the content area and add the PayPal shortcode. The shortcode looks like this: open bracket, WP_PayPal button equals quote buy now quote name equals quote bus ticket quote amount equals quote 10 quote close bracket. This shortcode creates a Buy Now PayPal button. You can change the product name and the amount to whatever you want. For example, you could change bus ticket to consulting session and change the amount to match your price. After adding the shortcode, click Update or Publish to save the page. Once the page is saved, click View Page or visit the page on the front end of your website. You should now see a PayPal Buy Now button displayed on the page. When visitors click this button, they'll be redirected to PayPal where they can complete the payment securely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to accept PayPal payments in WordPress using the WP PayPal plugin. This is a fast and simple solution for taking payments without setting up a full e-commerce store. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.